Hi guys, I thought I would show you really quickly how I prepare the food to keep us going in our really busy lives at the moment. So this is our freezer. Up here I have got homemade whole grain banana bread, walnuts, dates. There's also a carrot loaf in there. Here I've got peanut butter cups, 60 grams, ready for a treat for me. Here I've got a selection of two different dals. This drawer here is different beans that I've already cooked and frozen. Down on this one, this is a lentil loaf, some more lentils, some hummus, frozen mushroom gravy in this one. And then if we go down another one, this is a black bean and sweet potato treat. Over here we've got homemade tomato sauce ready for the kids to just pop onto their pasta. Over here I've got chickpeas. Back here I have got chickpea curry. Down on the bottom one, I'm pretty sure that is black bean curry, or like a Mexican black bean curry. Here I've got some more lentil loaf. That one we did. And right down the bottom here, got frozen fresh dates, and this one is a chocolate cake for treats. So that is how I keep my freezer stocked and keep us going. So I can just walk in on a busy day, grab and chuck the salad in, chuck the fruit. Oh, and there's pumpkin soup in there, I forgot, up the back. So, all right, there's a tip, and it's taken me years to become this prepared. So it's step by step by step. See ya.